holiday, holiday, holiday. Are you ready?
See you on Sunday.
I think she's going for a walk.
Crashing on the bed, feel that warm breeze blow. No worries on my mind, just leave stress behind. Palm trees in the line, find that peace I find. Vacation time, I'm feeling so fine. Living in the moment, sipping on sunshine.
Excited.
You are staying one of our lake huts, okay, called Primrose, which means you're the last one down there. You need to drive all the way down towards the bridge, but turn left before the bridge. You have breakfast included. Breakfast is served up at number 10, which is just near the cow shed, between 8 and 10:30, and checkout is 11.
This is MTV and welcome to my crib.
He brought everything at once.
Should be able to use it for the fireplace.
We have our fire pit here, so you can come down here in the evening. Say hi to the neighbours. Hi!
Hey!
Okay, let's show you around. Come on in.
As soon as you walk in, there's a beautiful little kitchen. And in the fridge, ice cubes. It is so clean.
A cocktail shaker, a decanter, a fish.
How cool is this bottle opener? Everything in there. Butterscotch crunch. Breakfast tea, all different teas. Chocolate, your coffees, coffee machine.
There's a nice cute little table here.
Bed is so comfortable. Look how weirdly cute that is. You also get these really comfortable robes. We wore them last night. They are so comfy. Your view from the bedroom.
And next we have got the bathroom, a hand wash and body lotion, a large walk-in shower, conditioner, shampoo and body wash provided. All towels are provided for you.
You also get flip-flops.
This is the room with the hot tub.
Do provide dog bed and dog bowl, and we have the living room TV, which also has Freeview on it. It's such a cute radio. Monopoly deals card game, playing card.
Chess, checkers and backgammon.
These are so cute.
This was our anniversary trip to Tewinbury Farm, just the two of us, and Sandy of course.
Yep, pizza night at the stable to kick things off. Sandy was under the table, pretending not to beg, but we all knew better. Random man in a field with sheep. Definitely not supposed to be there.
Then we wandered past the llamas. They were surprisingly chill, like they knew it was our special day.
And let me get some.
Oh, it's so fluffy. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh.
Even the pigs got excited, tail wagging like they were part of the celebration. And then, Castiel, our little legend, popping in with a happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, I love you.
He helped Grandad water the plants.
You do it how you want to do
I
it.
think this is probably a tiny bit of the road.
You do it how you want to do it.
And I think that's good. just to dampen the area so it can get all the nutrition from the soil.
That's good, yeah.
Oh my god, we missed him so much, but it was so nice to see that he was having fun with Nana and Grandad. And them sausage rolls when we got home, my god, they are as good as Greg's.
I'm making sausage rolls. Oh wow, I did this.
Right, Cass has now done all of these on the tray, so what are you going to do next?
Egg wash it.
Well done.
So do I just do it?
Like you're painting them.
Oh,
Just give them a paint. Now what we're going
a
to
little
do
bit more on this.
is these are going to go into the oven around gas mark 5 or 6, depending on your oven. So,
Okay.
good job.
And they are already looking so good. They smell good too.
Right, now let's go get some food. Woo!
Back to the courtyard for round 2 of pizza. Whilst waiting, there was pool and table tennis on standby.
We got pizza.
2 of them.
So we got our pizza. I got margarita.
And I've got pepperoni.
And we're just going to enjoy a nice romantic dinner together with that view. That's it.
Sandy,
Good girl.
I got the fire going in the brazier. Perfect ending to the evening. Warm flames, cool air. I did pop it before, but the camera stopped. So here's take 2.
If you've made it this far in the video,
Make sure to hit that subscribe.
Next morning, tea and coffee on the lake pier.
Then breakfast at the cowshed.
Tomatoes and mushrooms, baked beans, hash browns, scrambled egg, sausage, bacon, 3 kinds of bread, white, brown, sourdough. We didn't hold back.
Tea and coffee flowing. It was a proper feast.
And finally, we said goodbye to the ducks, the sheep, the llamas, just happy to get home.
To the quiet moments and the silly ones, to Tewinbury Farm.